So I've got a problem with this board here. I damaged the left line inputs of this RCA jack. You can see here, a little hard to make out, but the left terminal, this one here, is wavy and not lined up properly. Note that the right input that's underneath that, you can see it with this guy. This guy is fine, works perfectly. But this guy works very intermittently. If we turn this up here, I have it lined up properly, but once I start moving around, you can hear that it doesn't stay making contact. And I'm not sure what's going on here. It could be a connection with the the connection to the board, or the physical connection between here and here.